I am more happy after conceiving naturally because first time was IVF, so
Mm.
that experience was different.
Hi, you look good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, Pallavi, I wanted to get in touch with you and see how is your life going? How's health? How's everything in general? So, please tell me.
Yeah, everything is fine. Just now, my animal scan was done at 19th week.
Mm-hmm.
Last week it was done.
Mm.
Everything is fine.
Beautiful, beautiful. Do you
Yeah.
happy seeing those scans that you've
Yes.
really been
Yes.
a mother? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I am more happy after conceiving naturally because first time was IVF. So that experience was different. Everything was like that. In scans, the growth was back, like that, like that. But this time I'm pretty much happy that everything is till now it's going smoothly.
Touch wood, touch wood. I'm very happy.
Yes.
How old are you, Pallavi, and from where are you?
I'm 37. I'm basically from Nagpur, but right now I'm at Pune.
Okay, great,
I'm
great.
working.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And I saw your reports. We were discussing, and we came through your case study, and you have wonderful reports when you worked with Level Up for Women. So, how was your journey with Level Up for Women?
It was nice. That only helped me. I think I joined after seeing the ad for PCOS reversal because prior to that I have tried so many things like that work for Ayurveda for PCOS reversal because I was keen to get that regular periods. So I thought if I get regular periods, I will try to conceive naturally.
Yeah.
So, but past 2 years, I was trying so many medications like that, not allopathic, but homeopathy, Ayurvedic, and everything. Like Gynoveda also I tried for 5 months,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
but nothing was working. But after seeing the Chetan sir's video, that you need means it will not work only by taking the medications. You have to work all through.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I thought I've just done the thought that I have to do this.
Yeah.
I started in November. I think November, December, January, March, December, November. Just I had a first call.
Okay. Yeah.
But it was also difficult for me because I'm working and my working hours are like that. I start at 7:45 and I reach at 6:15.
Yeah.
But initially, some days it was very difficult for me to get into that habitat, taking that food, that quantity, posting the photos, and then that exercise session, morning session, it was difficult for me
Mm-hmm.
because of my son's school, that his lunchbox, husband's lunchbox,
Yeah.
and everything I need to do.
Yeah.
Then it was done, means 15-20 days it took for me to get into the routine.
Mm.
Then I thought that evening I will do the exercises,
Mm.
and I did for evening only
Yeah,
mostly.
I'm so glad that you trusted us and you trusted yourself and your body, and then now it's a natural conceiving. Everything is going good. Touch wood. I want everything to go good. You'll have a beautiful, smooth pregnancy. That's my assurance, and I'm very happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I disclosed the news to Chetan sir. After that, our last video session would be done with Chetan sir. I
Yes.
disclosed my. It was very early, but
Yes.
I thought it should be disclosed to
Yes.
him at least.
Definitely, he's very happy, and that's what it all came through. That we have to speak to Pallavi. How is she doing? How are scans coming along now? And how is health now? And first trimester is over. So, how was that trimester for you?
That was little bit like that. Means vomiting and all that. It was very difficult for me because only if I start cooking, it will trigger my vomit
Right.
like that. So I thought I will put I kept a maid.
Yeah, that's
So morning I need to take some medications for few days. After that, I'll only morning I will cook my breakfast and all that.
mm-hmm.
Initially, I tried with that all initial breakfast only, whatever was sent,
Mm.
but it was like that nothing was going.
Yeah, yeah,
So for few days, I thought whatever is I can take that taste well for me, I will take that only.
that's
And
wonderful.
after that, not much means outside food I won't take.
Yeah, yeah.
All homemade only.
No, that's very good. I'm very, very proud of the efforts that you're putting and your body is reacting well because we saw your reports as well. Everything is fine. When you were working with us, there was a lot of improvement in your entire report. So that was amazing. It's not very easy to get such results with hormonal imbalance, but you did it. All kudos to you. And
Yeah.
the way you trusted the process. So it's very, very commendable.
Yeah, before that only I got means there was a call with doctor,
Uh-huh.
and I told her that I didn't get the period also. Then
Mm-hmm.
what should be done? And I want to means conceive, and my age is also increasing.
Yeah.
Then I need to leave the thought of conceiving.
Mm.
I will just only reverse the PCS, and all that process were going. And after that, just I got some that I should take one test, and it was positive. Else I will be means I thought to join the Superwoman project,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but for that project I get a call,
Yeah.
and I will call from Saria, and I told her that before joining the Superwoman project I will do the test.
Yes, yes.
So to be for a
And
precaution,
yeah.
and that test got positive. So
I'm
I
glad.
dropped the Superwoman.
And especially, I'm sure it's a joyous news more because you tried IVF. How was that experience for you?
It was danger like that. I tried IVF long back.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I conceived first naturally, but it didn't. In first trimester, in second month only, heartbeat didn't came.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it was an abortion for
Yeah.
me. Then doctor told we will try it naturally for few months.
Mm-hmm.
But when he thought that my sister, there are multiple cysts, it is very difficult
Mm.
for. I won't get the ovulation day only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Means for PCOS, I don't get the periods, not a 3 months also. Sometimes it's 6 months, sometimes 3 months, sometimes 45 days.
Mm.
So I can't judge the day only.
Yeah,
So if a doctor told that we will just trigger for IVF only.
mm.
Then luckily I conceived in first go only in IVF also.
Mm.
But that too, the journey was not good. I had to take many medications in that, many injections, then hormone injections. Then after anomaly scan, it was like that your baby is 2 week back. Then
Mm.
after few days, I came to know that water level is also not good, amniotic fluid is not good.
Mm.
So I
Yeah.
had to come to hospital, taking the saline, taking the iron injections.
Mm.
So this time I wish this this will not be my flow.
Yeah.
Everything will be fine. I don't want any injections.
No, no, no.
And after 7 months, I was like that every week I need to visit the doctor
Mm.
for
Yeah.
scanning for the growth.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And doctor gave a thought that if baby won't grow, we will take it out at 7.5 months only. That again triggered. Then my father just changed my little bit diet. He include more fibers and that beetroot juice and all that egg. So that was my father's this only help only that my pregnancy lasts till 9 months. And at 8 months I fall from the stairs also. That time it was very difficult for me, and after Deva my son's birth also
Mm.
there was postpartum hemorrhage. I lost almost 3 liters of blood, and I didn't saw my son hold means one day only. I have taken him after 2 days. I was on like that on the bed of death. Mhm.
This sounds very,
So
very emotionally.
So after that, my husband told that we won't try for second. He was very scared after that journey.
Yeah, yeah,
So I told him that if I conceive naturally, we will have that.
yeah.
We won't go for any IVF process or
Right,
any fertility treatment, anything.
definitely.
So last 3 years back, I started everything,
Mm.
searching what to do, what not.
Mm.
Something was means I'm doing exercises, but
Mm.
food was not proper. Then I'm doing for food, then exercise. I'm not getting time for exercises, and this was like that. You need to do with help of few people that you need to do. You need to post the photo of what you have eaten, and you will check the blood reports also. So everything will be open. So like that, someone is there that you have to do this.
Right, right. No, I'm very glad that we came across you in this journey of life, and you got this beautiful news. I am hoping and I am assuring you it's going to be a smooth, beautiful journey, and you're going to be a mother once again. And I can't wait to see the baby, hold the baby, and just meet you in
Yeah.
person. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I told Chetan sir also. I shared this whole journey with him because in that last session, because many women will be there in this, because they will be facing the same type of problem, and they means lose the hope, and again they will go for the treatments. So I'll suggest everyone not to. My sister, she has done 3 IVFs, and all the 3 IVFs has led to miscarriages. So I told her, you just join this, and you try to. She is managing some her office work, and she will soon join the Level Up community.
Don't worry,
Then she will also.
we'll make her maintain a good work-life balance. Don't worry. Ask her.
Yeah, she is like that. Means she is IT person. She is doing work from home. So they will be working like that till night and all that. And mine work is like that. After office, I am at home.
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing office work is there. So that balance is needed for this.
And you very rightly shared about IVF. It's its success rate is low. Also, the journey that woman goes through, putting injections and artificial hormones, it's very uh, physically, emotionally tiring. Financially, also, it's not supportive for everybody. So it's just
Yeah.
yeah, so I'm glad that you found the natural way, and I hope every woman in the world find a natural conceiving and a natural delivery and
Yes,
everything.
yes, yes.
Thank you for sharing.
This is much needed.
Yes, it is, it is. And I am glad and everything would be fine. And if you need any help at any point in diet or anything, we're right here for you. We just want you to have a healthy baby. Okay?
Yes,
Take
yes,
care of
sure.
it. Thank you so much for
Yes.
giving time to me on weekend.
Thank and
And
thank you for remembering me first.
we remember you very fondly. I hope your husband is happy, your family.
Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone is happy.
Beautiful. Have a good day, Pallavi. Take care. We're always
Yes.
take care. Bye.